Hi everybody, I just wanted to video cam the Mother Nature. It's so pretty out here. You got the pretty flowers and trees and bunny rabbits. Okie dokie. Alright. And they just have so many pretty stuff. It's just so gorgeous out here. But yeah. It's really nice and cool. I love just being out when it's about to be dark. And you can just see how pretty it really is outside. See all the birds and stuff. Then like across the street, they're gonna open a swimming pool. So like, it's gonna be nice and pretty when the swimming pool comes out and everything. Yeah. It's so pretty. The sprinkler is on, so that's why you hear all that stuff. So like, feel good on your feet though. Woo! My feet are all wet and stuff. Here go another sprinkler. This is a pretty tree though. This is my favorite tree out of all of them. My sprinklers. Y'all, I'm gonna do like a thing so you can see the whole house. Hold on. Oh, my feet is so freaking cold. It's cold. The mosquitoes feel like they're biting me. Hold on. But I'll still show you guys. Okay. So, I'm gonna take you down here. That's where the pool is gonna open up at. This is the house. People live down the street down there. This is the house. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm scared to go in the grass because I don't want no bugs to be on here. Oh my God, it's so cold. So yeah. Oh my God, it's so cold out here. Y'all, the shade is over there. This is the door. That's what it looks like inside. Pardon me. What are you? Got a love for you, baby. So this is me. Hi, everybody. You probably can't see me. I probably look, if you can't see me, I'm probably dark than a mug, but I really don't look like this. I look like a hot man. So yeah, I'm gonna put it. I want to show you guys the bunny rabbit. It's like a big old bunny. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. It's like a big old bunny rabbit in the backyard, and it keeps running from me when I try to video camera. And it's so pretty. It's like two of them. Let me see. Okay. I'm scared to go back here. You see the birds? I'm really scared to go back here because I don't want no bugs to bite me. Let me see. I'm gonna take it back from the other side. There's so many bugs out here, and ugh, I just hate bugs, period. Yeah. I'm not. Okay. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.